The Lost Wallet. One day, a young man named Jack was walking home from work when he noticed something lying on the sidewalk. As he got closer, he realized it was a wallet. He picked it up and looked inside, finding a few credit cards, some cash, and a driver license. The wallet belonged to a man named Mr. Anderson who lived just a few blocks away. Without hesitation, Jack decided to return it. He could have kept the money, but he knew that doing the right thing was more important. When Jack arrived at Anderson's house, he rang the doorbell. An elderly man opened the door, looking worried. "Can I help you?" he asked. "Yes, I found this wallet on the street," Jack replied, holding it out. "It has your ID in it, so I thought I should return it." Mr. Anderson's face lit up with relief. "Oh, thank you so much," he exclaimed. "I was so worried. I had lost it for good." "You have no idea how much this means to me." Jack smiled, happy to have made a difference. As he turned to leave, Mr. Anderson stopped him. "Wait a moment." Reaching into his pocket, he pulled out a small key and handed it to Jack. "This is the key to my storage. Inside, you will find an old bicycle. I want you to have it as a token of my gratitude." Jack was surprised by the offer. "Are you sure?" he asked. "Absolutely," Mr. Anderson replied with a nod. "That bike has been sitting there for years, and I think you deserve it for your honesty." Jack thanked Mr. Anderson and made his way to the shed. Inside, he found a beautiful vintage bicycle in perfect condition. It was the kind of bike he had always wanted but could never afford. From that day on, Jack rode the bicycle everywhere, and every time he did, he was reminded that doing the right thing often brings unexpected rewards.